Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two VPN platform, which is Mullvad VPN and AdGuard VPN. So to get started with a quick overview, Mullvad is a highly trusted privacy first VPN known for its anonymity, open source app, and with a strong no-log policy. It accepts cash and crypto payment and doesn't even require an email to register. While it optimizes for privacy, the speed is remain competitive and depend on the entire across region. So talking about the AdGuard VPN on the other side, from the creator of the AdGuard and Ad Blocker, it offers a solid security unique VPN protocol, especially suited for users who want both privacy and ad tracker protection. It's lightweight and simple, but still developing its servers coverage and speed consistency. Now talking about the strength and the weakness of these two platforms, starting with the Mullvad. Mullvad has no email required support with cash and crypto payment, and also open source map with a strong no-log policy and a great speed with a WireGuard protocol, and also a consistent performance for torrenting browsing. And here's the downside about this platform: no native app for iOS is required manual setup, not ideal for streaming, and limited support for Netflix. That is this for the Mullvad. Talking about the AdGuard VPN, revealing the strength, its unique properties protocol, which is the AdGuard VPN protocol, which makes it superior, and the good speed performance for browsing and streaming, which makes it stand out compared to Mullvad. The seamless integration and the AdGuard ecosystem are clean with user-friendly interface. And here's a quick downside about this platform: the smaller server network than the Mullvad, and based on the Cyrus privacy law, not as strong as, and also fewer advanced privacy tools like the ModUp or anonymous payment. And here's a quick overall conclusion. So you can simply go for the Mullvad if you want a consistent and a faster speed across region, especially with a WireGuard making it better performance for speed overall. And on the other side, you can simply go for the AdGuard VPN if you want a lightweight user and a casual streaming, but not as robust in terms of performance or privacy depth. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform.